Okay, we got here a 13-4112TU. Pop the cover out. We're going to replace the SSD. It's on the way out. We're going to replace it with a WD 500 gig version. This is a M.2 2280, not NVMe. Importantly, battery must be disconnected. Make sure the computer is off. So, just, there we go. Battery is disconnected. Pull that out. Just stick it out, that's fine. Lift this up. You've got the SSD there. Use the correct tip. Make sure the battery is out still. Pop it out. There we go. That's out. That's from Lycon. It's an OEM manufacturer. This is a 500 gig version. There are three reasons you may want to do this. You want a bigger space, yes. Your SSD failed, yes. Or another one, if you get really sluggy performance out of your computer all of a sudden, like very, very sluggish performance for no reason. One of the main reasons the SSD is actually failing. And also, you might get a random pop-up, a black screen saying no hard disk found. Windows HP system will not boot. It's a black screen, white writing. Generally indicates a failing SSD. Now what I'm doing here, one problem with these SSDs is heat. Putting in a little thermal paste, not a thermal paste, little material here. I don't know what it's really called, but it helps take away the heat a little bit, and maybe it can touch towards the case and the heat can go into the casing. As you can see, cooling is here. There is no cooling here, although they put all the way to the edge. Sometimes that's not enough. Salami. Oh, I love salami. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's in. Now we can put the battery in. Sweet. That's in properly. Let's continue. Put the cover back on. And we're going to use Macrium to do the cloning. You can use whatever you like, but I'll show you how to boot from a USB. That's the main thing. And then you can use whatever cloning software you like. Okay, that's that. Now, how do we copy this through the USB? We're going to use an adapter. NGF connector. Put that in there nicely. Extra strength sticker. Just kidding. Okay, and that can go through adapter like that. Okay, we got our Macrium. I'll show you how to boot from a USB. It's important to have power. Cloning will take some time. Okay, now to boot from a USB you need to disable secure boot. So turn on the computer. This is a HP, so F10, go into BIOS. Because battery is taken out, it will go through a BIOS reset procedure. Okay, you can see the date has been reset, no problem. System configuration, boot options, and secure boot to disable. Disable F10, save changes. It will give you a 4-digit code to enter. You can press F9 to boot from an external device. So now we can insert our USB. Okay, so 4662 in this case. F9. Keep tapping F9. And we should get the boot menu pop up. There we go, change boot order, and I should see my USB there on the list. There we go, and it has to be UEFI or GPT partition. I'm not sure if this supports legacy. I'm not interested in that at the moment. If you're using such a computer, you shouldn't be using CSL or legacy. Days are over. Let's see if the internal SSD is detected before we do anything. Yep, we can see our SSD. Wonderful. And then we can do the cloning process. I've got videos on how I do the cloning on Macrium. You can watch them. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.